Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can show your inventory status or your current stock of an item on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, what I'm going to be doing first is I'm going to be going into products. I already have a test product set up, but I'm going to go ahead and go into quantity, and I'm going to add some on-hand quantity. So I'm just going to make it, I don't know, 25, for example. Let's say it's like that. Click save, and now we're done with that. Now, once we're done with that, we're going to go into the online store and go to themes. Once you're on themes, you want to go click customize, and the reason why you want to have a product in your inventory is so you can access the products page and then go into default product. If you don't have any products, this is going to be empty, so just click on that, and now you'll be taken here. Now, once you're here, you're going to go to the left menu over here under template, click add block, and then you're going to go down until you see inventory status. Insert that, and as you can see, now that has added that into our page. Now, if I move the low inventory threshold, it's gonna, well, as you can see, say it's low inventory, it's gonna change the icon over there. I'm just gonna set it to 11, for example. But yeah, that is pretty much how you do it. You can then position it wherever you want. For example, I can put it above the title just so that it is more, well, in place so that you can see it more clearly. You can also select a subtitle if you want. Make it uppercase, do whatever you want with it. It pretty much is up to you. It really doesn't matter. You can make it show inventory count or not. So if you have that unchecked, it'll just say if it's in stock or if it's low stock or not. However, if you check that, it's gonna actually say the exact number of the stock, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.